OneDrive is an application on your computer that works as a personal storage area similar to your Documents area. The main difference being that personal files you save here are synced to the cloud. This opens up many more options to us, some of which we'll look at in this video. OneDrive is accessed locally using File Explorer. If you don't already have File Explorer pinned to your taskbar, it's a good idea to do so. To do this, press the Windows key and just start to type File Explorer. Then right-click on it here and select Pin to Taskbar. When you open File Explorer, you can see over on the left OneDrive NHS. Essentially, as previously mentioned, it's another storage area for moving or saving your files to. However, when you save content into OneDrive, you can do much more with that content than if you saved your files to the Documents area, for example. One main advantage of saving to OneDrive is sharing. Sharing means sending a link to your live file rather than emailing copies as a file attachment. This means those with the link can just read or even edit your file depending on the permissions you allow. It means you can all open the file at the same time without being locked out of it if someone else already has it open. It also means everyone has the most up-to-date version of the file you are working on, with no need to send further copies as with email attachments. One way to share content with others from your OneDrive is to right-click on the file we wish to share and select Share from the menu. This opens this sharing dialog box. We then type in the names of the people we wish to share with. And here we can add a message. By default, this will be read-only, meaning they can only read and not edit this file. If you wish to give them the ability to edit your file, click here on People you specify can view. At the bottom here, tick the box Allowing Editing and click Apply. We would then click Send. The recipients will then receive an email, which will look similar to this one, with a link to your file, as well as your message if you included one. By clicking on the link, everyone can open the file at the same time. If you gave edit permissions, then everyone can edit the file at the same time. You can also send edit permission to some people or read-only permission to others. It's important to note that sharing from your personal OneDrive should be for collaborating on a draft copy of a file. Once you have finished, it would then be moved to a shared area for others to access as normal. The other main advantage of saving files to OneDrive is that you can access those files from any device with internet access, and not just your work computer. By going to office.com and signing in with your NHS credentials, you can access and review or even create files in your OneDrive from any device. There is also an app for mobile access too. We will cover sharing files in more depth in additional training sessions and videos.